I've got this weird rattle, and I don't know exactly what's causing it, but I think it's coming from this bar. So if you can see that, basically what's happening is this thing is moving around. And with engine vibration and driving, this thing just screams. So I'm hoping this is just as easy as tightening those bolts and this being good. So we're going to give that a whirl. And if that doesn't fix it, we'll have to get creative on something else. Alright, so that did take it out. So what I'm guessing is happening is as you tighten this, it's distorting this tube a little bit and taking out that vibration. So we're just going to check all these, make sure they're good. No rattles. I think something's rattling in the back of that one, not in the cage, but in the